What's going on? Got the new camera up. We're gonna see how it does. Oh shit! It's supposed to have some kind of horizon view leveler that, like when I lean, it's supposed to show it level, but I don't know. This will be my first video with this on the motorcycle. Tried to make one on my riding trip, but my shit broke on my towel and I busted my portal box. They got their bikes at the bar. So what's up? Might go in there and get a brew here later. Man, it's like 60 degrees here in East Tennessee right now. And nice. It's gonna rain here in a little bit, but I thought I'd get Pegasus out and give her a bath. See what this video is like. Hopefully it's good. Got a pocket full of quarters. Fill my tank up. And spray my bike off here and go on a little ride. Whew. Got hammered drunk last night, like in a bad way. Like in a bad way, guys. All I want to do is pop wheelies, but I feel like there's a possibility that I could get a DUI still. I don't know though. I'm just guessing. I will fuel up right here. Skirt. We'll put the good shit in there today, boys. Since we might park her for a little while. Cause it could get cold. See how audio is with this bad boy, yeah. Damn, that must have been pretty empty. It usually don't take long to fill this bad girl up. Here you go. I know you're thirsty. I don't want no fucking receipt. You know what I hate about these bikes is that you have to have a key to take the damn fuel tank off. But I did order a seat concept seat, and I'm debating on a better get this glove on here. I'm debating on getting a different gas tank. I don't know though. We'll figure that one out when we go. Now to go wash this girl. And how long it is. Yee-yee. I didn't even look to see how much it held. Plug it. Does it even matter? I mean, just getting gas, does it even matter? I mean, you gotta have it. Not like I'm gonna drive further to save 10 cents. I mean, what can you do? You gotta have everything about me wants me to go down the right lane right here and cut in. That's where I'm gonna go spray my old girl off. But better not take any chances today, guys. I woke up and felt rough. You know, you ever wake up and just like, whew, I had to go into the fridge and all I had in there, you know, I drink natural light, but there was like 3 PBRs in there. I ate this morning, so I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna go get me a PBR or something. Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all when this girl's clean. Damn. She was kind of nasty, wasn't she? Better give y'all a little washing process here. Them rims were stained when I got them. I really don't like putting my bike up dirty. I mean, I'm not a complete pussy with it, but I don't want it stained. You know what I'm saying? My pants won't stay up. You can go for a quick ride. So I didn't even put a belt on. Look at that transformation right there, guys. Ain't that sexy looking? Don't that make your wieners hard? Seeing old girl get clean. Yeah, don't stain that exhaust. Yeah, got little bug guts up there. We'll get them off. A bug's life ended on this bike. Good thing is it doesn't look like this thing, like it stains too bad. Yeah. What a sexy looking girl. Make sure them rims clean, you know what I mean? Anyways, it's probably boring, y'all. See how good this mic is. You gotta hear that fart? Let me know if you did. I've let a few stinkers. I think it's an all night drinking natural light. Got to me. Come on, start, you bitch. Oh yeah. Come on, girl. It got a little chilly in that 2.5 minutes I spent washing my girl, my old dirty girl. She clean now though. That's what you gangsters been up to. Fuck. Damn it. You bitch. Yeah, there we go. Back on the move. I'm guessing going that way is just suggested. We'll go this way. Oh, there's an arrow too. Because fuck them, that's why. I think my videos don't get a lot of views, partly because I cuss, but I don't plan on stopping that anytime soon. That and look, old boy got him the side-by-side out. Fuck the Honda. Other news, I'm trying to get rid of my Talon. I'm getting me a Turbo S or a Pro XP. Not really made my decision up on that yet. But then I busted the portal bracket at Packet Creek last weekend. It's still on the trailer. Super ATVs, badass company. They got me another one overnighted. I just don't feel like dicking with it this weekend. Plus, old lady's on call next weekend. Plus, I think she starts her rag, so definitely be the best time to hang out in the shop. So that's my plans on that. Bronco 2. I ain't going on a real long ride today, guys. I just wanted to get out and run my mouth and see how this new setup works. So I don't know, I think we got some snow on the mountain. Fuck me. Nobody behind me, nobody behind me. And bloop. There's a truck. I think we got some snow on this mountain over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. We might, I don't know. I'd say there's probably some on the back side, but it's not white like it was yesterday. And it is freaking windy out here today, guys. Windy. Be my excuse for my wheelies not being worth a damn. I wonder if this horizon leveler thing works. That's what I'm curious to know. I think it said something about I had to get some kind of lens with it, but I didn't. They didn't have it in stock. So that's like the only accessory I didn't get. That'd be cool riding the Dragon if it works. Like it. I don't know, we'll see. It might be working. It might not be working. We don't know. My turn signal's still on, that's how I roll. And they recently paved this road. Man, I'm pretty pumped on that seat concept seat. Like, I'm like super pumped about it. I bet my butt's gonna love it. Like, it's gonna be amazing. Kind of getting used to the way these these knobbies feel. Make me feel a little bit better because I trust them a little bit more now, but not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. I was freaking out about to look at my phone, but realized it's my front pocket. Took it off the wash though, girl. Been looking at campers. I don't know if I want to get a... Well, man, I'm everywhere between a fifth wheel toy hauler and a damn small off-road style camper to go behind the Gladiator. We got a small one like that that's got a toy hauler in it, and oh, pretty pumped. So the ladies want another bike, so we are in the market for a KTM 390 Duke. So if I can get to Dualsport Nashville, they got one up there for 5 freaking G's. 390 Duke, cheaper than what I paid for my DRZ. Which, you know, it ain't, you can't do everything this bike can do, and probably maintenance is a little bit more extensive on it, but I'm pretty pumped about that, because if she gets a new bike, that means I get a new bike too, because, you know, what's hers is mine, and what's mine is mine. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm shooting in 2.7K, so let me know if y'all can see a video difference. Also, there might be some clips from my riding trip that are worth a damn. I haven't tried to upload them yet, but if they are, I might pop some of them in. Man, everybody's on this mask shit. They damn got us wearing masks at work, which I haven't had to do yet, because it says as long as you stay 6 feet away from people, you're alright. So if I gotta work on people's shit, they just get the fuck away from me. I ain't about that life. That, and I feel like we're all being groomed right now, like for compliance and shit. You gotta take this vaccine or you can't get on the airplane. If you don't take this vaccine, you can't work here. If you don't take this vaccine, you can't shop in Walmart. Fuck Walmart, fuck flying. Fuck a lot of that stuff. I got OnlyFans going right now, so I might not have to work for too long. You can hit me up on my OnlyFans. I think it's Outdoor Holic too, like my YouTube channel. Slide on over to my OnlyFans page, drop your boy a like. Also, you can find me on the TikTok on that app. Which is crazy. My TikTok, I've only had it for like a month and a half, and my TikTok's done got like 4 or 5 times what my damn YouTube's got. I don't know. My OnlyFans doing better than YouTube too. I ain't even really showed my butthole that much yet. So I don't know. I don't know, there's gotta be more. Just don't feel like I was built to work 50 hours a week. But anyways, guys, I just out riding around, dicking off. Figure we test this up. Let me know if y'all, anything y'all want to hear me talk about or anything like that. And no, that was a shitty one. That was a shitty one. I'm embarrassed of it. Y'all can be embarrassed with me. Let me know if there's any topics y'all want me to discuss. Anything y'all want to know about the DRZ, the Gladiator, the Talon. Just let me know. I'll let y'all know. I'll give y'all the facts. Tell y'all exactly right. Ain't nobody sponsor me. I say whatever the hell I want. Although the climb stuff, these gloves, highly suggest them. And I freaking love, got a little low on that one. And I freaking love them damn cold weather climb gloves. They're freaking amazing. The sheriff's department's that way. I really don't want to go that way today. I don't know. Probably gonna drop this video right here, guys, and we'll see how this one turned out. I know it's gonna be a short video, gonna be a little bit better, but better quality, hope. I'm shooting 2.7K, 60 frames per second. I've got it on linear, which is different. I usually shoot in super view, and also, what other is different? Oh, it's supposed to have a horizon stabilizer on it, to where when I go like that, the camera's supposed to stay level. That'll be cool riding the dragon. But anyways, guys, if y'all like this video, want to hear more of me running my mouth, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. It's totally free. Anyways, guys, deuces.